Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an Etrade account. Gather your ID, social security number, and bank routing number to begin the application. Choose between an individual, joint, or retirement account and decide if you want margin or cash trading. Complete personal details, agree to disclosures, and verify your identity. Link your bank for funding, set up security features, and review all entries before submitting the application. Start by selecting account type and filling out personal and employment information accurately. Expect identity verification using ID or a photo and provide bank details for instant or manual funding options. Review fee schedules for trading commissions, margin rates, and account minimums so there are no surprises. Explore research tools, mobile app features, and educational resources to match your strategy. Save confirmations and enable two-factor authentication for added security. After approval, fund your account via ACH, wire, or check, and note any transfer limits or bank holds. If transferring assets, initiate an ACATS transfer and expect several days for brokerage-to-brokerage moves. Keep records for tax reporting and understand Form 1099 statements for dividends and sales proceeds. Set up dividend reinvestment preferences and automatic deposits to build positions over time. Regularly monitor statements and update your personal information when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.